everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have an unboxing of the POLENE Numero 1 micro bag.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, but mostly handbags. I love those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's jump on into the unboxing. Okay, so this box, let me just show you the box first. This is by a brand called POLENE. I believe it is a French brand. Very simple, cute, white pearlescent box. And it says Numero 1 micro. And this is my first ever micro bag. I've been seeing these everywhere, guys. Just micro bags in general, I've been seeing them everywhere. Like Dior has a micro bag, of course, Jacquemus. There's these, there's like Dior micro bags. Well, I already said that, but like Lady Dior, the saddle bag. There's so many micro bags out there. And in the words of Cassie Thorpe, I want some of that TBE, tiny bag energy. So I did pick up a tiny bag, and this is actually not very expensive at all. POLENE is a pretty reasonably priced brand. This bag was only $170. It is tiny, so maybe that's why it's priced like that, but still, they do make regular sized bags as well. And for the micro ones, or for the regular ones, they have 1 through 9, I believe. And then for the micro bags, they have a few. Hold on. Okay, yeah, for the regular sizes, they have 1 through 9. And for the micro bags, they have 1, they have Neuf, which I believe is 9. They have that one. Oh, that's it. They have 1, they have Numero 1 and Numero Neuf. So there we go. So anyways, this is the cutest little bag, and I've already unboxed this. I did it on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me over there, because I do stuff like this first sometimes over on Instagram, so you will have already seen this. But you take the little top off, and here is what the paper looks like inside. Look how cute. And of course, I'll be doing like what fits inside, because again, these are micro bags. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And look, here's the little dust bag. You can see that right there. And again, I did get the Numero 1. I do love the Numero Neuf as well, but I just liked this one a little more. I just liked it. I thought it was super cute. Maybe I'll get the other one later on, but for right now, I'm very happy with this one. Look at her cute little dust bag. Oh, look. I did get black. I got black just because it's like my first micro bag, and I was thinking, look, if I'm gonna get a micro bag, let me just get it in black. Oh, look at her. This is the cutest thing I ever did see. It's very simple design, very cute. It looks like a little dumpling, look at that. And then it says POLENE right here. It has a little back pocket on the back that's super cute, and this little bag has feet. I'm so happy it has feet. I can't believe it. It's so cute. So, and then here's how you open it. It has a little snap closure like that, and then it just opens up like so. And then there are these 2 little snaps here that you can undo in order to open up the bag even wider. And it does have a strap, and it's actually pretty spacious for a mini bag. Like, it's pretty spacious. It's got a card slot thingy back here. It's not like separated, it's just one open slot back here, I assume for cards. And then you have this open mouth pouch area where you can definitely fit your essentials. You're not going to be getting like too much in here, but I do think that you could fit a decent amount in this bag and get your essentials inside. So I think you can close it without having to rebutton the sides. Like if you kind of stuffed it a little bit, I think that you can, yeah, you can close it without having to do in the sides, but it does kind of make it lose its shape just a little bit, but it makes it like expand out. So it's not as like tightly packed as if you were to redo the sides like this and make it look neater. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then you just put it in like this, and it's all closed. And then here's the strap. It is not removable, so I don't know why you would want to remove the strap anyways, just because I don't feel like this is like a top handle situation. Like I feel like you might need a strap for this. I would think this is more of a crossbody. I love how I'm reviewing a black bag with a black top on. Well, not reviewing, unboxing, but here's how I would wear it. Cute little crossbody moment. Look at this. Don't mind the toys over here. Winston is eating right now, but he's playing with his toys. But look at this cute little crossbody. And you could, it is adjustable. The strap is adjustable, so you could like bring it closer up to under your boob like this or something. But I like it on the hip, or even you could tighten it even more and maybe make it kind of like a across the chest situation, if you know what I mean. Yeah, but this is very cute. This is literally just giving me either very casual, running to the store, going out for lunch or something, not taking much with you, very hands-free, or this is giving me date night, wearing a dress and like maybe some like fancy jewelry, and then you have your tiny little bag, or you're wearing a piece of clothing that has a brand on it. So like these Burberry shorts are very like statement-y. People will probably be able to know that this is Burberry if they know that, you know, but I wouldn't really wear a Chanel or any other type of bag that has very obvious branding. I would wear something like this. Or if I wore my Balenciaga sweater that makes me a walking advertisement for Balenciaga, I would wear this and not wear, you know, an actual like Chanel bag or whatever. But she's so cute. You can also, I see people do this, you can just put her around your neck and just wear her like a necklace like that. I feel like this is a little too long, but I probably wouldn't do this. I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm a dad wearing a camera around his neck. You could technically do a shoulder, but I don't think I would do that. I would just stick with the crossbody. Super cute. So one thing I wanted to do really quickly was just talk to you about the details on the website. So it is full grain textured calf leather, so it is real leather. It's made in Spain. It has a full leather lining as well, and then the dimensions are, so the strap is, oh, it is removable. I didn't know that. I guess it is removable. Great. And adjustable, between 99 and 122 centimeters long. The dimensions are 10 by 10 by 4 centimeters. So it's very small, but it's so cute. And the dimensions with handle is 13.5 by 10 by 4 centimeters. And the weight is 150 grams. So she's a little baby, but she's still so cute. I keep wanting to wear her with my outfit today because me and my husband are gonna go get some lunch later, and I really want to wear this today because she's just so cute. But let's go ahead and move you to my other chair right here so I can show you what fits inside. All right, you guys, I have got you moved over to our little hot seat, and I am gonna try and show you what fits into this baby. So first thing I want to try is I want to see if I can actually get like a card holder in here. I don't think so, but these things do unsnap, so like maybe I could get a card holder in here. Okay, well, it fits technically, but I don't know if I can, it won't shut. So it will fit, but you would have to like wear it open like this. It won't shut. So that's probably going to be a no. But what I can do is take out like a few cards, like my credit card, my debit card, and my driver's license. So like I could just have it like this, and there is that little slot back here. And let's see, can I fit 3 cards back there? Oh, I can't. Oh my god, it fits so good. So 3 cards fit back in that little slot with literally no issues. Absolutely perfect fit. And then I've got, let's see, I've got a pack of gum right here just in case we need that. And that does fit super nicely in there. I've got, obviously you're not going to be able to fit a key holder in here, but we can just pretend that I can like take off one of my keys and put it on there, because the one key, like your car key or your house key, will definitely fit in there. So let's just pretend that that's also in here, a car key or a house key or both. I think both would fit. And then we've got a lipstick or a chapstick. You can do whichever one you want. This will totally fit, I think, for sure. Look at that. And there's still room, so I just went ahead and took these off of my key holder just for the sake of the video. Put my car key in there and the house key in there. Totally good, fits perfectly. And then we've got a bit more room. Here is a travel size perfume, just like a little sample. This will fit nicely in there, just like on the side. And then we have, this is technically an eye cream, but just pretend it's like a hand cream or something like that. But something this size or even maybe a tiny bit bigger would fit in here as well. And it just goes right in there, just like that. But I think that's probably all I would fit because I still want to be able to close these. If you want to fill it even more, you totally can, but you might not be able to close these afterwards. And I just think having them cinched in like this looks really nice. So then we just close everything back and we're good to go. She's filled. And to be honest, that really does carry a lot. It carries your essentials plus even a tiny bit more. Oh, and you also have this back pocket back here. So if you wanted to put something like readily available, like a card you know you're gonna use, you can put it back there. So there you go. All right, you guys, that has been my unboxing of my Polene Numero 1. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope that, I'll leave a link, not sponsored, but I'll leave a link to Polene's website so you can check this out yourself and see what you like. I mean, the micro bags are $170. So like definitely, you know, not like crazy cheap, but I mean like for a bag, it's like trendy and like on like very fashionable and on trend, and it's so cute, and it's not even 200 bucks. I definitely think it is very worth it, and I'm very excited that I have it, and I might get the other one later just for principle, but we'll see. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you think of the bag. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're into the whole tiny bag trend or if you're waiting for big bags to come back in style. So just let me know anything because I'd love to know that. But please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!